4 out of 5 fire departments in Alabama rely on volunteers. And as volunteer firefighters become harder and harder to come by, municipalities must work to prepare for this shortage. The city of Columbiana solely relies on volunteer firefighters to be their first line of defense. And they're working to ensure when the volunteers have moved on, they aren't left empty-handed. ABC 3340's Gracie Johnson has more.
There's going to come a period of time when physically they're going to be unable to do the job. So we're trying to look forward and make sure that we have a staff of volunteer firefighters.
Columbiana has had a steady roster of around 21 volunteer firefighters. 15 of those volunteers are active. As the community grows and the volunteers age out, Columbiana is working to gain 20 new volunteers over the next 3 years. That's with the help of a recruiting and retention coordinator, paid for by a FEMA grant awarded to the city.
It is a challenge to recruit and retain volunteer firefighters. Like I've said, they have to be able to respond to emergency calls, fire calls 24/7. Okay, so you need to have enough volunteers so that you have an adequate number who can respond when the time comes.
Nationwide, retaining volunteer firefighters has been an increased issue. Volunteers make up 65% of firefighters in the United States. According to the National Volunteer Fire Council, the time donated by volunteer firefighters saves localities across the country an estimated $46.9 billion a year. For many communities, switching to a career staffing model is not feasible. I asked Mayor David Mitchell if part of their retention plan includes the potential for a fully staffed career fire department in Columbiana.
I won't say that there's a plan to do that, but there will come a time where I think we're going to probably have to do that as the city grows.
Gracie Johnson reporting there. The city of Columbiana, in collaboration with Wilsonville and Kingdom Communities, are receiving assistance to firefighters grant funding to help pay for new air packs and costly equipment needed to maintain the volunteer fire departments.